Ideal for when you don't have time to cook in the evening, this Morphy Richards slow cooker can prepare delicious meals throughout the day, so you can come home from work with dinner waiting to be served. The spacious 6.5 litre capacity has room for up to 4 main portions or 6 smaller starter size portions. Ideal if you're cooking for guests or family, you can easily cook dishes in larger quantities. You can sear and stew in the same pot for truly convenient cooking. Spend less time washing up multiple pots and pans and more time giving your full attention to one dish. 3 heat settings allow you to choose either low, medium or high to suit the dish that you're cooking. Find the power level that suits each dish and effortlessly cook it to perfection. Make dinner time simpler with this ultra-convenient slow cooker from Morphy Richards.